How to share notes to Instagram Reels or posts. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily share notes to your Instagram Reels or post. So first thing, simply open up your Instagram. If you haven't already, just make sure you're logged into your account. And let's say I want to post a note or share a note to this Instagram Reels. So what I will do is just tap on this share icon over here and scroll all the way to right, and you'll see the option called add notes. So simply tap on it and you can write anything over here to share your note with your friends. Your friends who followed you back will be able to see all of your notes just like this. So, and in this case I have got a post, so you can do similarly likewise for the post as well. So just do the same process by scrolling to the right way and just tap on add note button over here and just type in anything you want to share with your friends. You can also include emoji as well. So if you don't want to view minimize mode, you can just press it down all the way just like this. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.